What do you think of her, George? Sailors call boats her. Oh, I almost forgot to do my paper route. Could you do me a big favor and watch my boat while I'm gone?
George couldn't figure out what he'd done to it. It looked perfect.
All done. I'm just gonna drop my bike at home. Would you mind watching my boat for a few more minutes? Phew. Holy... You did me a real favor, George. I forgot to close the windows. Model boating requires utmost attention to tiny details. Come on, let's go enter.